Introducing the ARRIS X210S Racing Quad from ARRIS Hobby. The ARRIS X210S is an ultra-lightweight, ultra-agile 210mm performance racing quad. It offers a crash-resistant 5mm carbon fiber X-frame and high-strength aviation aluminum cage to protect the flight components. It's powered by our X210S high-speed 2300 kV brushless motors. These motors feature a centrifugal fan design that optimizes heat dissipation, while the high-efficiency polycarbonate dowel props decrease wind resistance and increase motor efficiency during flight. The FOXEER Aero Mini Pro camera generates brilliant image quality for both daylight and low-light flying. Blow the competition away with the ARRIS X210S from ARRIS Hobby.